In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Epson EcoTank ET-4800 printer in case you're having issues, or maybe you just want to start fresh and delete all your personal data, everything from the memory of your printer. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to press the home button right over here to go on this main display. Then using these arrows, you're going to navigate until you see settings. Press the OK button. From here, you're going to navigate again with these arrows. And you have Restore Default Settings. It's page number 10 out of 11. Press OK. And now we can reset certain things, or we can reset everything. Number one over here, you can simply reset the Wi-Fi, the network settings. If you're having issues only with this thing, I suggest you start by resetting only that. Then if you press, you can reset only the copy settings, only the scan settings, only the fax, and the last option is clear all data and settings. Obviously, it will factory reset the whole machine. Everything will be wiped out. And at the end, when you press OK, usually it takes just a few seconds, the printer will be like new, like the moment you unboxed it. This can help solve many different issues. But overall, this is it. I hope my video was helpful. Please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links if you want to get a new printer, ink, paper. You support my channel at the same time. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.